Thai. Chúng có chua gây nên có bế. In Matthew chapter 19, verse 23 and beyond. Jesus said to his followers, for sure, I tell you, it will be hard for a rich man to get into the holy nation of heaven. Again, I tell you, it is easier for a camel to go through the eye of a needle than for a rich man to get into the holy nation of heaven. When his followers heard this, they could not understand it. They said, then who can be saved from the punishment of sin? Jesus looked at them and said, this cannot be done by man, but with God all things can be done. Then Peter said to him, we have given up everything and have followed you. Then what will we have? Jesus said to them, for sure, I tell you, when all the earth will be new, and the Son of Man will sit on his throne in his shining brightness. You who have followed me will also sit on 12 thrones and judge the 12 families group of the Jewish nation. Everyone who has given up houses and brothers or sisters or father, mother, or wife, or children, and or land because of me will get 100 times more, and you will get life that lasts forever. Many who first will be last. Many who are last will be first. Now move on to 1 Timothy, verse 6. A God-like life is much when we are happy for what we have. We came into this world with nothing. For sure, when we die, we will take nothing with us. If we have food and clothing, let us be happy. But men who want lots of money are tempted. They are trapped into doing all kinds of foolish things and things which hurt them. These things drag them into sin and will destroy them. The love of money is the beginning of all kinds of sin. Some people have turned from the faith because of their love for money. They have made much pain for themselves because of this.